In a sweeping move to curb the misuse of public funds by local authorities, the government of Zimbabwe has introduced a strict cap of 3 foreign trips per year for councillors and council officials. The directive is part of a broader package announced by Minister of Local Government and Public Works, Daniel Garwe, to rein in extravagance and improve accountability in local governance. Sanabina mashoko ari kuda panguva ine councillors allowances panguva ino achikatiwa down. Lodi bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibira munamukudanyi kwa mchinzi. Zimbabwe keeps foreign trips for councillors amid crackdown on local authority spending. Outlined in a circular dated 17 July 2025, the measures are aimed at halting unjustified spending by local authorities that have come under fire for prioritizing perks over public service delivery. In quotes, all councillors and officials traveling outside Zimbabwe on official trips must be granted cabinet authority before departure, wrote Minister Garwe. Foreign trips will not exceed 3 trips per year. Under no circumstances may a councillor or official travel without such permission. Applications for international travel must be submitted at least 14 days in advance and include a full breakdown of cost and justification. No more golden handshakes. In a decisive blow to what has been labeled golden handshakes, the government has abolished exit packages for councillors finishing their terms. This follows years of criticism over large, non-performance-based payouts, including cash, luxury vehicles, and hand, granted to outgoing mayors and council executive. No exit package shall be paid to any councillor on the completion of his or her term of office, the secular states. Structured allowances rolled out. Government has also introduced a standardized allowance structure. Mayors and council chairpersons, $265 per month. Deputy mayors and vice chairpersons, $243 per month. Committee chairpersons, $229 per month. Ordinary councillors, $221 per month. The move has been welcomed by civic groups and the residents' associations, long frustrated by what they describe as resource gluttony within local authorities. This is a long overdue intervention, said Taro Mandaza of the Harare Residents Forum. For years, councils have bled public resources under the guise of international benchmarking and strategic workshops. Observers say the success of the new policy will depend on strict enforcement and political will, especially in recovering unapproved allowances and holding defiant officials accountable. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ine tudze mafukuro enyu mutikudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.